fractions, please. Probably the 30,000th time. What we have here is we are talking about, we have in math, we've got what we call proper fractions. And we have what are called improper fractions. And they're not really the greatest words to explain what these are, because when you hear the word improper, you think it's bad, and sometimes we actually need to use improper fractions. But the difference between the two would be proper fractions are fractions that have smaller numerators than denominator. Which simply means this. A proper fraction would be the fraction 7/8. As long as the top number is smaller than the bottom number, it's proper. You might have to reduce it, but it's proper. You know, 15/16, 1/3. Those are proper fractions. When we talk about improper fractions, you probably can guess what I'm going to say. These are ones that have a larger numerator, which again is the top, than the bottom. And that would be maybe 8/7, maybe 35/3, maybe 17/5. And I suppose they're called improper because there is an easier or a simpler way to do them. And actually, I saw one in today's assignment. I can't remember what it was, that it just said change this to a mixed number, and that's what you need to do. Generally speaking, when you get an improper fraction, improper fractions need to be made mixed into mixed numbers. Which means if you have 35/3, I'll slow down just a little bit. It's not very good lots of writing going on here. Again, you have already done all this a lot, so it doesn't matter. But how do I make an improper fraction into a mixed number? It is nothing more than a division problem. Fractions really are nothing more than division problems. You are going to divide 3 into 35, which I think you've done. Just make sure you make that answer a mixed number. 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 5 once. What's Michelle watching? What do I do with this little 2 down here? Do I write it as a remainder?
Yes.
I do not.
No.
Remember, it needs to be a mixed number.
No.
So Trevor, it needs to become what?
2/3.
Right, it becomes 11 2/3. This is acceptable. This is not. So the deal is, when you come up with a fraction problem and you come up with a mixed number, for example, if you have 7 4/8, 7 4/8, and to that you're adding 8 5/8, we've got a little bit of work to do with this. What is 4/8 plus 5/8, Andrew?
1.
Well, no, just tell me what that 4 plus 5 is 9. What goes on the bottom? 8, right? Keep the same bottom. 8 plus 7 is 15. So here we just have this messy little situation that we can't leave it as 15 9/8. You're going to have to take the 9/8, change it into a mixed number, and then put it with your 15. So how do I do that? You know, and again, hopefully at some point you can probably do this in your head, but if you can't, it's a division problem where you take 8 into 9. 8 goes into 9 once. What do I do with that 1?
Make it into a fraction.
Yeah, put it over the 8. My answer is not 1 1/8. Why? Because I need to put the whole number 1 with the 15 that I already had. So my answer should be, Maggie, 16 and 1/8. So this is just kind of like a combination of stuff that you've already been doing. I'm going to give you one more. Let's see. How about this one? 8 1/3 plus 8 1/3 plus 8 2/3. What do you get if you add all of those up together? 8 1/3 plus 8 1/3 plus 8 2/3. I'll give you a chance to get your answer. And then we can compare and share. Share and compare. The last little part of the board there. Who's got an answer out there? When you add all the fractions together, 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 2/3 unfortunately gives you 4/3, which is improper. And 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 24, 8 times 3. But I can't leave that there because that's just all messy and goofy. 4/3 becomes what mixed number? Jordan. 4/3 is, well, divide 3 into 4, I get 1 1/3. I have to put that with the 24. If I put 24 and 1 1/3 together, I get Brooklyn 25 and 1/3. How many people got 25 and 1/3? Perfect. Okay, my golly, you got it. You think that all looks all shrunk on down to where it's supposed to be? All right, for tomorrow then.